Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Juliana and today I am going to do a video for you guys after so long. So I just want to say I'm so sorry for have not been able to produce as many videos as you guys probably prefer, but that's just because you guys know I have just received a full-time job here in America, and before I got this job, of course, I had to use all my time to prepare myself, applying to so many different jobs and attended so many different interviews, and that really used a lot of my time. So that's why I haven't been able to produce videos. But now that I got a job already and I have sat down and looked through my calendar, and I see that I can actually produce at least one video every single month for you guys. I will try to make maybe at least 2 videos, but I can't promise you guys that because based on my schedule for my full-time job as well as all the other things that I do, I am pretty busy. So I will try my best, but I promise I will be able to do at least one video. So if you guys want me to do any videos for whatever topics that you guys are interested in terms of life in America, just comment down below and I will do the video for you guys. So for today's video, I am doing unboxing. So you guys can see we've got a box right here next to me from Madam Glam. If you guys don't know about what Madam Glam is about, it is a beauty brand based in New York, and they are specialized in producing and selling high quality, cruelty-free and vegan nail products. And the brand offers a wide range of gel nail polishes, nail art accessories, tools and nail care products for anyone like you and me or businesses to use and do their nails for their clients or for themselves, just from their house or wherever they are. So I thought that was so cool. So I'm so excited, and it is right here. Let's open it and let's find out. Because I myself, when I was back in my country, I like to do my nails. Every single month I would go to the salon to do my nails, and I try to do that here in America, but it's expensive. So I'm excited for this one. So let's just open it and find out. So I chose several options. Oops, I almost got myself. I chose several options, and I don't know if they sent everything to me, but let's check it out. Okay, ready? So this. Okay. Oh my god. I'm speechless because look at this box and look, it's full of Madam Glam nail products. Ah, thank you, Madam Glams. I'm so excited to try them on. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know which one to open. Thank you. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. Okay, so this is the first one. Let's see. This one is Madam Glam New York. Everything you love at your fingertips. This one is the press on nails, and the colors are so pretty. Look. I'm so happy. I don't know. Thank you, Madam Glam. Okay, so we got this, and we got this. So we got 2 different colors, and look at the packaging. It's so pretty. Oh my god, they're so pretty. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna put it right back, and let's keep on going with the rest of the boxes. So Jesus guys, I'm so happy about this. So this one, so pretty much all the boxes on top, it says the same thing, Madam Glam New York, everything you love at your fingertips. New York. Whatever a VIP wants, a VIP gets. Always 50% off. Thank you, Madam Glam. So let's open these and see. This one, how do I open this? Okay. Got it. I am actually so happy. Like, I actually chose only like 4 gel polishes, and look what I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they come in different colors too. This and this and this. I'll show you guys each one. Oh my god. Oh, it comes with a little card right here. Hello glamorous, welcome to our influencer community. It is our pleasure to have you join the nail team. We believe that when talent meets amazing products, magic happens. Thank you, thank you. I don't know what to say. Vegan, 21 free formula, cruelty free, palm oil free. Amazing. Free from 21 most toxic chemicals found in nail polish. Perfect. We don't test on animals and never will. Amazing. Product with respect for the environment. Amazing. So everyone who likes to support companies like this, go ahead, check out their website and get your nail products. Okay, I am actually overwhelmed. Next, I'm gonna check out this one. Once again, it says the same thing. Madam Glam New York, everything you love at your fingertips. Whatever a VIP wants, a VIP gets, always 50% off. Let's see what it is. I don't remember all, choosing this one, but they also sent this to me, and let's find out. Express on nails. Oh, this is Express on nails. So I think this is also press on nails. Check them out. Yep, that's right. That is right. I'm excited to try this on. If you guys want me to actually do a video when I actually try each one, let me know. Comment down below, and I'm actually so excited. Once again, I actually have never ever done manicure from my own house by myself, so I am going to be learning a lot first before I actually do it. So I'm excited to try them on and show you guys how it actually going to be done. I got 4 of this. I have 4 of this, but this is so amazing. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, Madam Glam. All right, next is, thank you. So I'm gonna open this. We got more press-on nails. This one is blue, and this one is like this, white and black. So pretty. This is my first time ever using the product, so I'm actually really excited. And this, you guys see it? This is the Madam Glam New York LEO Pro UV LED lamp. This is the lamp that you can do your own gel polish at home. You can do your own gel at home, gel nails at home. Okay, so I'm gonna do unboxing for this one because it's empty now. So let's do this. I'm gonna put it down there. All right. Okay guys, this is it. Let's open it and check it out. But look, these are more information on the side. Madam Glam New York, and it has their Facebook, Instagram, and other socials. And this is a specification of the lamp itself. I'm so excited. Oh wow. Oh my god. Okay, let's open it. I am so excited, guys. Thank you to Madam Glam. So it's gonna be this way. Wow. Oh my god, it's well protected inside this box. Okay, let's take it out. Let's check it out, guys. Ooh, okay, that's the cord. And let's focus on this one first. Oh my god, look at this. Madam Glam New York right in front. Okay, let's take this away so we can focus on the lamp. Let's put it in here and let's observe its beauty. Oh, this is the different durations, guys. I'll show you guys in a bit. Madam Glam New York, and this is the inside part. And oh, nice, look at the sensor right here. This is so good. It can detect your finger or nails, hands when you put it in so fast because it's right at the edge. Oh, nice. The bottom, oh, nice and glossy. So nice, glossy and shiny, guys. This is where we're gonna plug that thing in. That's the on and off. I'm excited to turn it on. Okay, let's turn it on and find out. Okay, this is the cord, I believe. Oh my god. Oh, this is a little manual that I can use. You can use, guys. Yeah, definitely this is going to be useful for me since it's my first time. But let's take this out. This is the cord, and oh, nice. Let's take this out. It's pretty long. Perfect. Okay, let's plug it in right here. And you guys excited? What if it doesn't work? Let's see. Oh, perfect. It's on. But let's take this out quickly so we can see the whole beauty of it just by itself. I just want to say one more time, thank you so much to Madam Glam for sending this to me. I'm so excited to try it. Ta-da! Okay, I should turn it on when I put my hands on, right? So there we go. Okay, but let's check out the duration go. There's the duration, 10 second. We got 30-second option, and then we got 60-second option, and then we got 90-second option. Wow, all the way up to 90, guys. Okay, let's put your hand. Let's try the 10 seconds right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom. Ooh, very nice. Thank you so much to Madam Glam, and thanks so much, guys, for watching. This is it. I am so excited to try it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks so much for supporting. Don't forget to comment down below whatever video topics that you guys want me to do. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.